This is a nice place. Awesome view.
Yeah. Myrtle.
Big crepe myrtle.
Beautiful big crepe myrtle. Our problem is that the squirrels are using it to get to our roof and get in our attic. These shrubs need to be taken like halfway down, I would say.
Started with
Okay,
this?
and Jeff again, that was
It
your
is.
name?
Jeff
Okay.
Gray. All right.
Okay, thank you, Jeff.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Weekend, and I'm jealous that you get to spend a nice time on your boat there.
I know. It's gonna be nice. Hope you have a good time working on your garden.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you.
Awesome.
Nice to meet you.
Y'all have a good day.
You too.
All right. Thank you. Bye. Huge pine tree today. Ashton's already knocked out one job this morning with the other crew, so I met him out here to take care of this one this afternoon. So we're gonna start piecing this out, working our way on down. Got the Kubota, got the dump truck set up. Saw's ready. Got a log with tension that has all the pressure going down. You can show the rest of this log. All the tension is going to be right in here somewhere because it's dug itself down into the ground. So this is the best cut to use. It's like a plunge cut. You're going to plunge in, go straight through, cut the bottom out, and it should break. Then you're going to use the tip of the bar and just cut the top of the wood and finish the cut off. See some pressure hitting this spot right here. So I'm just going to use the tip of the bar now, work it slowly so it don't get pinched. Got down to the last 15 feet. Another thing to be careful about is a tree that fell over. It's probably gonna flip back down into the stump. So make sure nobody's ever standing behind a stump when you're cutting it. All right, let's see if it does it. Nope.
I think it's free now.
Yep, didn't flip up. Everything's cut up all over but the cleanup. About wrapped up on this one for the day. Start at 7:30 in the morning, and it's almost 7:30 now. So we let our other guys off at 4. Ashton's like, let's keep it going, let's knock it out. We just lost another guy. He's been with me about 6 months. Usually always showed up to work early. About 2 weeks ago, he missed a couple days, didn't let any of us know. Left us in a jam. He called back, hey, I need to come in Monday. Had some issues. We had already told him if he did it again, gotta let him go. So I always try to talk to the crew, get their opinion. You know, should we let him go? Should we let him keep working? They said, nah, let him go. We can't have people on the team like that. So how we roll around here, one guy's slacking, gotta let them go instantly. It just drags everybody else down. We knock out huge jobs. It's dangerous, it's hot, but we do make some money. I'm gonna put a comment down below how to reach me. Just shoot me a text. I'm gonna be working with about 5 more people, teach you how to make $50,000 to $100,000 a year. Doesn't matter if you're straight out of high school or you're retired, want to start a side hustle. The areas I can coach you in is pressure washing, tree removal, and landscaping.